Portland renters. Today we're at 5225 Southeast 80th Avenue in Portland, Oregon. This home is a 3-bedroom, 1.5 bath home. Let's head on in. Perfect. They're currently working on the house a little bit. As you walk in, you'll notice the living room area here. Your first half bath here. And then we have the kitchen, refrigerator, we have the stove, microwave, dishwasher, plenty of cabinet space there, as you can see. And then we have the backyard. And we'll head on upstairs. When you first walk upstairs, you'll notice the first bedroom on the right. Here. With the closet there. And this window faces the backyard. As you can see. We have a linen closet to the right. Your full bath. And this is the shower and tub combo here. There's also a skylight in here, which is awesome. And then we have our second bedroom. With the closet space there. They're a pretty good size. And then we have the third bedroom here. This one's a little bit larger as it appears. And this one actually faces the front, so it gets a lot of natural lighting in here with the closet there. As you can see. View of the hallway here. View of the kitchen from the stairs.
Yeah, okay.
Great, and then we have the washer and dryer here as well. Full view of the living room here. And then we have the front porch here. The little cement patio there. And that is 5225 Southeast 80th Avenue in Portland, Oregon.